The Supreme Court, religion, and taxes, a clash of principles patriots, gather round because we've got another heavyweight showdown in the hallowed halls of the Supreme Court. This time, it's faith versus the taxman, and let's just say, the justices seem to be giving Uncle Sam the side eye. At the heart of the case is a Catholic charity group that says it deserves tax-exempt status under the Constitution's promise of religious freedom. But of course, the government's tax collectors, bless their revenue-loving hearts, see it differently. According to them, this exemption could set a precedent that sends the IRS scrambling to find new ways to fill its coffers. In a hearing filled with more back and forth than a Sunday sermon debate, the justices appeared sympathetic to the charity's argument. Some suggested that denying tax exemption to religious organizations might violate First Amendment protections. Others worried about the implications. After all, if one group gets a pass, what's stopping other organizations from demanding the same? Now, we know the Supreme Court isn't exactly a NASCAR race. You don't get instant results. But the tone of the questioning had a lot of legal analysts raising their eyebrows. Could this be a turning point in how the government handles faith-based organizations? Or are we just watching another round of political chess with tax dollars at stake? Let's not pretend this is just a legal issue. It's Washington, folks. Every decision comes wrapped in layers of political intrigue. On one side, you have those who argue that religious institutions have been foundational pillars of American society, providing services that the government could never hope to replicate. On the other, skeptics warn that broad tax exemptions could lead to abuse, with groups claiming religious status just to avoid taxes. The question is, where does religious liberty end and special treatment begin? If the court rules in favor of the Catholic charity, will this be a win for faith-based organizations across the board? Or will it open the floodgates for groups trying to game the system? One thing's for sure, the ruling, when it comes, will send shockwaves through the legal, political, and tax worlds alike. And with that, this girl is signing off for now. Stay vigilant and question everything.